So the potato plants are dying back. They are starting to yellow and wither, just not look great. And so it's been about almost 115 days. I will put that definitely was not bad. And so definitely the difference 20 days make, but I'm noticing with the plants, it kind of depends on what the plant wants to do. Some of the plants, they're going to have like between 5 and 8 large potatoes. And then the last one we did, which reminded me of the first harvest we did, some of the plants will have dozens of potatoes, normally resulting in smaller potatoes. And so obviously the plant was dying back. These ones weren't going to get to size, but then you can kind of see what the plant's personal goals are. So, but I'm going to weigh this. I'm thinking it's at least 4 pounds. Hopefully it's more than that. And we will see in a minute. Okay, so there is about 6 pounds of potatoes there. That is amazing. And so of course you minus out the weight of the bowl. And so I'm just really excited. So I'm going to clean these off a little bit better and just store them in my fridge. And so the children, they're very rough with it. So the skin does not, it gets messed up. But yeah, so that's just really great, you guys. We will be having some more potato harvest coming later on in the end of March as well as in April.